Hey guys, Neil here. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how you can get more pixel tasks this chapter 2. Of course, this information has been widely shared already. I just want to share it with you guys and have an analysis on how you can play around with your levels so you can get more pixel tasks. This is the analytics from the Voxels tool. And so we're gonna analyze how you can get most of the pixel task here. So right now you can see that we have cooking, forestry, stone shaping, and the rest of the skill. And just to be transparent, this is the only skill levels that I have for farming. We have cucumber that gives 8 pixel once you level 31. For woodwork, I think this is hard to level up. So if you have started leveling this up, it's fine. But yeah, you can aim for level 45 minimum. For stone shaping, I think this is good because once you reach level 44, you get this 8 pixel and 6 pixel tasks. But what I really recommend is cooking because the thing is, cooking is quite in demand right now. While you're spending your energy when you just want to level up, this also gives you big profit. So if you level up your cooking, you can get a lot of this pixel task actually. So right now I'm currently level 46. So these are the pixel tasks that I get. I want to focus on leveling my cooking more. So probably in the next video you'll see me around level 54. But yeah, right now I think I have a quite decent level for level 46. I get all of this pixels task. And the reason why I also leveled up my forestry to just level 30 because I get all this pixel task as well. The other one that I also have is mining, which is I have level 32, so I get the same. I have 8 pixel task and then 6 pixel task. That is quite good, guys. So just to summarize, the easier one to level up is of course the forestry. With just minimum level of level 30, you get this 2 pixel task. Mining is also easier to level up. You just need to meet level 30. And if you want to specialize more in cooking, I highly suggest leveling up because you get this pixel task in the long run. The effort pays really well because you get all these pixel tasks compared to the other pixel task from other skill. It's just quite limited. The most recommended right now is to specialize more on one skill. But if you want to get more pixel tasks while you specialize more on one skill like cooking, I really highly suggest to level up your forestry to at least level 30 and your mining to at least 30 because you get all these pixel tasks. I hope to see more improvements in the task board. But yeah, that is quite the most practical to do right now. Focus on one skill and then just meet minimum level for forestry and mining. And yeah, I hope I was able to help you in this video. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you in my next video.